Okay, this is the HP EliteDesk 800G2 with the common and still fairly nice Intel Core i7 6700. Let's open it up. First, let's fold up this flap here containing the drives. Let's remove one of the RAM chips that is now accessible. Each is 8 GB for a total of 4 times 8 is equal to 32 GB of RAM. To put the RAM back in, just push it down until it snaps in on both sides. Let's remove the solid-state hard drive. This machine doesn't have hard drive caddies. Instead, it has these sheet metal slots, and you have to lift a flap and then pull the drive out. Next, let's remove the hard drive power and SATA cables. Because there are no hard drive caddies, these vibration dampening screws are used to hold the drive in the computer. There is one slot for a 2.5 inch, and one for a 3.5 inch drive. Let's reconnect the SATA and power wires and then slide the 2.5 inch solid-state drive back in place. When we close the flap, it makes sense to line up the spare SATA and power wires with the empty hard drive slot. Let's put the lid back on. And take a look at the back and front of this machine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow for more videos in the near future.